Hello everybody, welcome to this new lesson. In this lesson we will know how to create a loading page like the following. The code as usual will be linked in the description, and let's go to the code and see what we have. First I will create here an HTML file. I will say new and HTML. I will say loading 2. Over here I will create the div. Inside the div I will say, I will name it loading. Class is loading. Okay, and over here I will create a span, and this span will hold the word loading. Okay, now I'll create another file which would be CSS file. I will say call it style, and over here I will create the content. Let's link the style with the element over here. I will say link, and this link would be href style. We have it, and over here I will see the relation is style sheet. The type would be text. Great. Now let's create the element. We have it over here. First of all, I will change the body. I will see body. Inside the body I will see margin 0 and padding also 0. The background color I'll change it to be a dark background. See that background. Then we have the height to be 100 ph, and the display would be flex. The align item will be center, align items center, and also justify content. Justify content center, and also we have font family. Let's say Tahoma. Great. Now we'll create, or we will adjust loading class. I will see here loading, and I will create width with the 100 pixel, the height 100 pixel too. The box sizing would be border box. The border top, border from top, I will say it will be 100 or 110 pixel, and solid. Let's add the color. Let's see that color. Great. Then we'll add the position would be relative. Okay, and the animation would be E1 for 2 seconds, linear, and infinite. Great. Now let's go to the next element. Let's create a radius, border radius here. I will see border radius 10 pixel. Great. Let's go to the next element, which would we have it over here. It would be the same as the loading. I will see dot loading, and let's add it b4. Here I will add the content is null. The width would be the same. Width is 200 pixel. The height is 200 pixel. The position is absolute. It's not like it will be absolute. It will not be like the loading. The top needed from the top to be let's see minus 67 pixel, and from left we need it to be 30 left. Let's see 30. Let's see minus 31 pixel. Okay, we should have closed it, semicolon. Then we will have the box sizing, border box, and we have border radius. Border radius will be the same with all of them. It will be 10 pixel. Great. Now we'll create the another element, which is loading after, and loading after we will create the following. I will say the content is 0, is null. The width width would be 200 pixel, the height 200 pixel, the position is absolute, and we have here from the top we need it to be, let's see, 60 minus 67, it would be the same pixel, and from left we need it to be 31 pixel with positive value. Then we will go to box sizing. It would be border box, and border radius would be 10 pixel. Great. Let's go now to the next element, which we have it. Let's go here and see loading, loading, then span. Okay, span inside loading. The loading inside the span inside the loading, we need the position to be absolute, and we will say that from the top we need it to be negative 50 pixel, and let's see, the width would be 200 pixel, sorry, width 200 pixel, height 200 pixel, and we have color would be white, let's see, white, and text align center. What we have also, let's add line height. Let's see what we have now. Let's see that, refresh. Okay, I'm sorry, we should double click here, loading to, go over here and wait. Okay, now we have the elements already. We haven't, adjust the rotation for them. Let's create here the line height for this loading word. Let's see, line height, and give it 200, for example, pixel. Animation, let's see, 2a means another name, and it will rotate or do its animation E2, 2 seconds, like the previous animation, and it will be linear infinite. Great. Now we will need to create some rotation for the before and the after. Here I will add a rotation. I will say rotation or transform. Let's see, border bottom, and let's give it 10 pixel, and solid, and give it a color. See this color, and let's choose any color we need it. See this green. I will need to add animation. The animation will give it the 1A, or I'm sorry, A1. I'm sorry, the animation is pre-added. Wait. We need to add transform. Let's see, rotate, and let's say it would be 60 degree, negative 60 degree. The same code I will copy and paste it for the next element. Copy, and over here I will see paste in the after. I will change the color. I will see red. Okay, no problem. I will change this from negative to positive. Okay, save it, refresh. It will be like the following. We missed, the loading is 100, it should be 200. Okay, 200. Save. Okay, it's amazing. Now we have the animation over here. We should copy and paste the animation for the others, or it will work together. So let's go to the last point, which would be the animation. We should create the animation for every point. We have keyframes, and I will create it for E1, which is the animation of that elements we have it, and I will see 2. Over here I will create the transform. Let's say rotate, one circle, which is 360 degree. Wait, let's duplicate this element and change the value. Let's see, 2, the animation of the 2, and say If we keep it the same, it will not give the same result. Look, loading is work with the animation. We should give it the negative value so that it could stay in the same, readable value. So now we have created the element that we have. You could change the color, the element you needed to change it as you want. Now this was the result. Thanks for listening and watching. See you in the next video.